This is your test executions dashboard, where you can view your test run results. Let's run a test. We'll test our download page to verify the ready to scale, click to action, and system requirements are displayed correctly. We can select a test persona, a simulated user with specific behaviors and technical proficiency. We're selecting Diego. This helps us simulate tests that cover real-world user behavior, not just perfect scenarios. Watch as Rocksmith executes the test in real time. The AI agent connects to a browser and begins navigating the page, just like a real user would. You're seeing the actual browser view as the test runs. Every action the AI takes is visible, transparent, and debuggable. Here's the magic. Our AI agent explains its reasoning in natural language. It's scrolling down, looking for the Ready to Scale Your Testing section, and thinking through where to find it on the page. As the test executes, you see step-by-step progress. Step 1. Navigate to the download page. Passed. Step 2. Scroll to find the CTA. Passed. Step 3. Verify the testing and pricing buttons. Passed. The test completes, and now we see the full results. 3 steps passed, but Step 4 has a partial failure. The system requirements grid is visible, but there's a discrepancy. Rocksmith caught a bug. The assertion expected macOS 11 Plus but found macOS 12 Plus instead. It shows you exactly what was expected versus what was actually found on the page. This level of detail makes fixing bugs trivial. No more guessing what went wrong or where. The AI shows you the exact element, the exact mismatch, and the exact location. By testing with realistic personas, you discover edge cases and usability issues that perfect robot tests would never find.